Like a story, Mr. and Mrs. Matka were celebrating their 35th wedding anniversary, and suddenly an angel appeared before them and was ready to grant them any wish that they had. Mrs. Matka was very quick. She said, "I want a ticket for the world tour." And there it was, her ticket, round trip ticket for a world tour. And it was Mr. Matka's turn. And he said, he is a bit mischievous, Mr. Matka. He said, "Turn my wife 30 years younger." And there it was. Mr. Matka was instantly 90 years old. Wow, you didn't expect that. Be mindful of what you're asking. Be mindful of the choice of words that you use. Who knows how you will be interpreted, regardless of whether you're at home, office, or elsewhere. Life is very much like a story.